If you're looking for a mid-budget smartphone with an amazing camera quality that can even rival the iPhone, then you absolutely need to check out this fantastic smartphone from Nokia. According to leaks, Nokia has packed this incredible smartphone with 200 megapixel DSLR level camera quality and a massive 8500 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G smartphone. In today's video, we'll dive into the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerhouse device. So let's start. Features of Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G. Display. Nokia's latest beast comes with a stunning 6.85-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, paired with a 144 Hz refresh rate and 390 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. On top of that, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7, features an in-display fingerprint sensor, and even boasts an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. This phone packs a triple camera setup that's a photography lover's dream. The primary camera is a whopping 200 megapixel, accompanied by a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 5 megapixel macro camera. For selfie enthusiasts, there's a 32 megapixel front camera, ready to capture your best angles. Performance in OS. Under the hood, the Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G is expected to run on the blazing fast Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor. And for software, you're looking at the latest Android 16 OS, ensuring a smooth and future-proof experience. Battery and charging. Powering this monster is an 8000 mAh battery, yes, you heard that right. And with 120-watt super-fast charging, you'll spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Plus, it comes with a USB Type-C charging port for convenience. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $600, making it a killer deal for the specs. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned for updates.